Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brown TV show. If it's your first time here, please try to subscribe and leave your hand on that notification bell behind the subscription so that anytime I drop video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So you come around and grab new videos and updates. Here we bring information. We like to update our people so that you will know what is happening for the Europe side. So that's why we create this platform so we'll come back on the learn and to the collect information. We will make you they know what they happen. So today let's talk about what they happen. Understand what called the news we did today. We get many news to talk. So I will break them small so that we go feel the collect them well. We understand the news where they go. To understand. So today now, today, say very soon this vaccine will come the Europe side. Understand? Mostly Europe side, Italy first, or sometimes Italy go carry all this kind of thing, but Italy now from January now the vaccine will come. So the one started to distribute the vaccine different categories and understand people they work for hospital, healthcare, people they work for the teachers, police officers, people they work for office, public workers. Also they want to before they can reach the population, the citizen. So but the president and the Federation of Red Cross, that is the president, understand, of Red Cross, those Coast Guard, understand, Coast Guard, understand, so those people they rescue people for water, their president, he can't talk say if they distribute this vaccine to people, their citizens, make they no put migrants, the migrants behind, make they remember because these people still dey inside these corona issues. These people life still dey danger also, and the people wey present for the country make they still remember to vaccine them, make they no go put them behind. Na wetin e dey try to talk because these people still dey face this pandemics together with them. Understand? These people need health service also. So if the vaccine they carry on for the countryside, make them not leave the migrants behind. The man they plead to their people, to their government, say if this vaccine come, migrants who want to take this vaccine, make they let them, to access for this vaccine. Understand? Say if you come this Italy, mostly Italy, if you come Italy, you first go for your document, that your first document, that your 6 months. From that 6 months, you feel access for hospital service. You understand? Health service. If you register, go carry your college fiscally, you choose doctor within your city. Understand? With that, say with your resident and your hospitality, you can choose and have a doctor. Understand? You can go for health service. Understand? You can register that college fiscally. So if you get that college fiscally, you get doctor where they follow you. Do you understand? So that doctor they follow you go know everything about your health. So you will not come Europe side where maybe you don't come for camp, maybe you get residents, you get hospitality, go there your city, find where they call Uzle, where they do coding fiscally, go there, go do your coding fiscally, choose doctor where they follow you, go know your doctor in case of incasity. I know sometimes we'll say we know the sick, but we don't know, understand, so we don't know what thing you need to run some kind of test. If now once in a year you don't want to test for your body, when you know what they solve for your system, it's very important. Understand? Because you don't know how your system they function for now. For many years, I know so many of my brothers and sisters never go for a test, never go control their body when they know how the system they solve for that system. So it's better for you to take so I know many people, even me every year they won't just run tests my body just to know how my system be. If anything if any command if all the vitamin within my body they work well, if anything if I miss any vitamin, make I know something they eat, they drink, or anything I feel they take to increase those things, my vitamins in my body. So my brothers and sisters, if you know so you dey camp, you don't come for camp, you get your house, you do hospitality, choose a doctor who will follow you. Understand? So make you for the know wetin dey sup for your body. In case of the case you can't fall sick because they carry if you go put to so first of all your doctor will ask you who they follow you, make you see your college fiscal, they put and they will know your doctor. But if you not still get, they will not say you not still get, they will look you, sir. This person you this country not get doctor they follow. Understand? If you no come get that college fiscal, you not get doctor they follow you. If they want access any service for your body and you come the payment, if you get your doctor, and you register for it, you go register for health, health service, any assistance from the government, you go still dey get am with the same thing with the citizen, except person no get the permit. If you know who no get permit, no go fit get go for this health service. You understand that code physically that na health service. So if you know say you get 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you get permit, that is permissive sojourner. If you go do your code fiscally, because now based on your permissive sojourner, they give you that code fiscally. If your permissive still dey renew, give them the receipt wey they give you for costura. Say see my receipt wey I take go take prove my document for renew, and they go give you like 3 months or 6 months to dey wait till the document come out. I tell you understand. So the document don come out, you go give them, they will give you how many years dey the document. Now 2 years you get, to give you 2 years. Now 1 year you get, to give you 1 year. Understand? And so the code fiscal still dey work. And if you see expire, still go back, go and renew it. Before if you don your document expire, if you go renew and they'll give you like 3 months. If you don't carry the receipt, you can't wait. Document that 3 months still expire. You still go meet them, will still get another 3 months till your documents come out. Understand? Because everything now it can't dey the custodial hand. So no can dey wait say my document never come out, make I wait. Fit go, because no know how far waiting fit sup later. Understand? So that if you want go access for doctor, or you go access for any medical checkup, you no go be payment. Because if you no come get that code fiscally, you wan go access to doctor, it go come be payment for you, because you no go renew your code fiscally. Understand? Your health service. So make you know that you get this information. So now make this the president of this Red Cross say abeg, if they want dey give this vaccine, make they no forget the migrants, and make they still remember the migrants. This one na good information. It's a good information also. Understand? So even the AU now, another news with the AU give Turkey 6 billion euro to host migrants for that countryside. Make dem no let the migrants dey cross say they go Greece. Migrants don full the area, so they don burst the 6 billion euro to host migrants. So the talking now, they don share the money. One go be for healthcare, one go be for the pocket money wey they go dey give them. Some go be for to do some projects for the young ones. Maybe for till they go to school, do the handwork wey they learn. So understand? Some go for to take care of families and children also. They try for that one. The EU are trying also. Understand? The Europe side, they try anyhow. Even Germany even invite some families from Greece, where they need help. They invite, they come Germany, where they come stay. Because the Greece side, the way everywhere come take off that fire, we burn that camp that year. So many families they street. So Germany like to go, they pack some, they come that countryside. They want to see, they try. But because they know so those one, they really need they really need the protection and the asylum, because the countryside get a stay there. Where they can go seek asylum, get a stay there. So that make they go, they help them. Understand? Germany they try for that one, they accept migrants. But if you can't misbehave for the countryside, or you can't put your hand for the wrong thing, now they lead to all those detention. You can't put half your body, those are going to lead for deportation. Do you understand? So now even for Italy here, understand, people go enter train, they no go buy tickets. If they want control, they come begin they follow the controller, they drag. So if controller you tell you say come down, you just come down, you wait for the next one. But if you don't get money to buy, because these things where they happen now, controllers come full, they fight, they really boss police head for waiting. Understand? Some of our country, they just make us, give us this protection when we did. But those things we don't try for our own country, understand? But we will just try, respect their rules and the regulation, put our hands together, make sure say our way pure for this country, because some politics, understand, some politics they did there like Savi, they did there the waiting migrants go do, where they go carry people for the social media, where they go use to they fight their this their politics level, because now migrants might be the second thing they fight. Understand? Because now that after Corona come now, they can't reduce for migrant issue. Now they can't face Corona. After Corona, migrants be their next topic for that table. We know them, and that's why Corona back comes. Every time migrants enter, every time. That be their news all the time. But now Corona, don't forget migrants. So if we can't do all those things, can't they offend the law. They can't put migrants and Corona together. This one they can't say deport. Italy no dey like to dey Italy dey give full na dem be the country wey dey give full protection to migrants, understand. So make we just try and respect ourselves and respect the law wey dey keep, because if we no dey contribute for the countryside, how the countryside wan take dey go? I know say job no dey, many people just dey enter train without no ticket, but make sure say you buy. If na just buy in case they dey control you. My brothers and sisters, make we make our hands still clean. So now for Libya, they say people wey dey cross enter this organization, this migrant organization, they say they see many underage migrants who dey try to come Europe on their own, unaccompanied underage, no papa no mama, they just live 16 17 years, understand. So they dey tell the Italo say all those small children wey dey say na they call their children say they be bambino. So those bambino, when they dey care for them well because they don't get papa get mama, when they put eye for their body, when they for no go dey fall victims, so they no go dey exploit them for different stand go spoil them, or because they no get papa they go come lose their dignity, come dey they treat them anyhow. People come dey do them, they make them dey feel less. So maybe they put eye for those migrants, those underage migrants, when they care for them, where association they care for them well. Understand? Because they don't calculate say all those rescue boats they rescue, they like to since this year now they don't push back some from places. So people want try from Libya on this side, they push them go back, and they see children and underage people, migrants from inside, and they say Libya not be safe. They safe for those migrants. It's not a safe place for migrants for now. Those pushback now that they want the Europe side, so they carry those people, because like yesterday and Wednesday now they push back boats go back, and 28 children are inside that boat they push go back. 28 children. The team paying that these NGO people, understand, they paying them, this association of migrants, international organization for migrants, they paying them, say why they will push back boats to carry children. As children inside there, they're supposed to rescue them, because that Libya is not a safe place for migrants. I think they forget say, they say they kidnap like 18 fishermen who go the fish, they go mistake, go fish, enter Libya, they kidnap them. If not be their president, we can go there, go talk to the authorities, whether they can't release them. I think they foresee they tranquil for them, but they don't release them based on the president can't show. And with their minister of affairs, that the mayor with a continent, they can't go Libya, go Benghazi, they go discuss before they come follow these people. You see, president after president they work. In no case now, and now only how many Italo inside, they no resist. The rest now foreigners, but the man still go there based on citizen. They respect their citizens. If so kind of our countries be like that, if for good, maybe they all our people, they all go, our president go all boost, go all march, go there, go say when I rescue, I wanna leave them. If countries respect their citizen, people will respect that country. If the president they respect their citizen like this, another country no fit joke with the citizen. So make some of our African leaders when they try to make their country dey well, make their country dey well, respect your citizen. Don't let your citizen dey rock more for their countryside. They go they risk their life for different routes just to come another country, come better than safe, or come find protection, find security. I beg, make our leaders wanna try. Which time the country will come better? All these migrants they run from different African countries. I will say some like 5 African countries they way. Now they for they go they stay. But all the African countries now come get a security day. All of them are here. I beg my brothers and sisters, so now today news, I will drop on that news like tomorrow, we will foresee the note in the sub. So my brothers and sisters, we could pray, say this vaccine they want to break up for this coronavirus, make it reach everybody hand. Who like, make it take, who no like, you feel your rest. But if your mind carry say you want to take, so that corona go near you, you feel take am. Understand? So that make the beg say, if they share this vaccine, they remember the migrants. I beg. If you never do your hospital card, go do your hospital card. It's very important because you don't know what if it's up anytime. Understand? So that if it's up, you know, so you get hospital card and you get your doctor when they follow you. It's very important. This is today news. Please subscribe and share this video so that we're here to learn and to educate one another. So guys, please share this video and like the video. See you on this video and bye for now. It's your brother, your friend, Kesi Bright. Be sure to stay safe. More love. Bless you guys.